very warm welcome, sir. So today we have Sood, sir, Director of KCL Institute of Management. So, sir, can you please brief about yourself and about the college, about the KCL?
About our institute?
Yes, sir.
You want to know about our institute?
Yes, sir.
Our institute was set up in the year 2010 by Lalpur Khalsa College management for the promotion of management and IT education. Now they have diversified in engineering and hotel management.
Okay.
That is, we are offering in engineering 4 engineering courses with computer science, mechanical engineering is there, civil and electronic engineering. Besides that, we are offering diploma courses in these branches and bachelor in hotel management and catering technology affiliated with AICT. We are offering that. Similarly, we are offering MBA. In MBA, there are various specializations. MCA is there, BBA, BCA, and BCom honors. These are the courses which we are offering in our institute.
Okay. And sir, you have, you are the director of the institute. So, what keeps you connected with the education industry, with the education sector?
Again, I'm not following you. There is problem in communication.
Well, so I'm asking, sir, you are the director of the KCL Institute. So, what keeps you connected with the institute? What are the factors which keep you powering daily that, yes, I want to work for this college, I want to work for the education sector?
Basically, my association with this very institute or management is nearly 45 years old.
Okay.
I started my career in under this management in the year 1976 as a lecturer in commerce. Thereafter, I occupied various positions in this very Lalpur Khalsa College, from lecturer to principal. And after my superannuation from there in the year 2013, I was asked to join as director in this very management institute. And since then, I am here as director management institute.
That's great, sir.
That is this management, I must say, they are very cooperative. They are out to create right congenial environment for working. One enjoys working after working for 45 years. That sort of environment is there that I feel that I have just started. If there is not more interest you take, that is, especially I like to appreciate or I am thankful to our president who is always supportive. That is, whatever, as far as our efficiency is concerned, whatever papers are sent to her for approval, the very next day, we are going to get them back with her approval. And nothing is delayed. And where there is, you can say, that sort of promptness, efficiency is bound to be there. You feel like working, you feel like putting in your best. You feel that it is your personal growth with the growth of the institute.
That's great, sir. 45 years are a huge time period, sir. That's really great. You're serving this college for the last 45 years. That's really great. So, sir, you have, what is the key responsibilities of the college regarding the students? What kind of education your college is providing? And what are the placement scenarios? What are the other extracurricular activities so that the students will develop the skills for the industry?
Basically, we are out to provide our students with the best possible infrastructure, best possible facilities. That is, we want to ensure that students should be comfortable during their stay in our institute. And at the same time, we are always trying to impart our students, besides the normal curriculum, that little bit extra we are providing to them, so that in case they want to join some job, we are preparing them for that. That is, we are inviting industry experts from various other fields also, so that students may get whatever is the latest in the field. Thereby, we are preparing them for future challenges. And even in case they are interested in, you can say, setting up their own enterprise, we are providing them with the right sort of aptitude, right sort of training, so that they are successful in whatever they are doing. Our students are working with various banks, various, you can say, companies. They are working in insurance companies, various other companies they are working, and they are excelling there. We are getting very good report of our students from there. And as far as present students are concerned, we are trying to provide them with the necessary skills. It may be communication skill, it may be interviewing skill, it may be anything else. Basic part is that we want to equip our students with whatever is best in them, so that wherever they may go, since they are the, you can say, carriers of the name of the institute, we want that wherever they should go, they should achieve success, and thereby they should bring laurels to our institute. This is the, you can say, crux of what we are doing.
So, sir, can you share the companies?
Any other thing you want to ask?
So, what are the, I mean, can you share the companies which visit for the placements in your college, and what is the stats regarding the placements?
Basically, as far as placements are concerned, we are having a tie-up with certain banks. They are coming to our institute on regular basis, conducting online tests here. And through online test, they are selecting our students, and they are working with those banks. Similarly, certain insurance companies are coming, certain IT companies are coming. And through these very the companies, we are trying to ensure that campus placement to us. Since in the campus, as far as competition part is concerned, it is a limit. It is easy to gain entry. And when they will be just competing in the open market, then definitely the number of, keeping in mind the unemployment, the number of students will be quite large. Therefore, herein, they are having better chances of being selected. And at the same time, we are following up that once our students are selected, we are following up with the various institutes where our students go as to how they are performing. What are their shortcomings? So that our students who are going to join at later stage, they are fully prepared for as far as whatever is the requirement of those very companies.
That's really great, sir. That's really great. Your management is doing so much for the students. So,
it is basically, earlier on, it was started as an, you can say, management institute, management and IT institute. But thereafter, this engineering college came into existence, and hotel management was added around 2 or 3 years back.
Okay, so what are the further plans of the college? I mean, did college want to start some other courses also, just like BTech and hotel management?
And as far as the strength of the, now it is Lalpur Khalsa College Technical Campus.
Okay.
That is, from this year has been converted into Lalpur Khalsa College Technical Campus, and I am overall director.
Okay.
The total strength of our institute must be around about 1,500.
Okay. So, I mean, you have 1,500 seats for
moreover, our institute is located at the most convenient place. Bus stand is nearby, railway station is nearby. It is approachable, easily approachable for almost all the students. And our management is there in education field for the last more than 100 years.
Okay. More than 100 years, that's the huge number, sir. So, sir, my next question is, what are the challenges the students are facing due to this COVID? I mean, and what are the colleges changing in the curriculum of the courses like in BTech and in MBA? I mean, the skills.
COVID has definitely resulted in problems for nearly everyone.
Yeah.
That is, no one can say that we have remained unaffected by this very COVID. We have been conducting online classes for our students. Yeah. That is, at the same time, we are preparing ourselves. We have informed our students that they should get that proper vaccination. Proper instructions have been placed at various places in the institute, so that even in case physical classes starts, That is proper distancing, that social distances will be observing, proper sanitization arrangement will be having. We will expect that all our students must put on proper masks so that they may save themselves, and at the same time the possibility of their affecting someone else, it is minimized. And they should carry with them that very vaccination certificate, and at the same time we will ensure it that in case there is need of a vaccination in our institute also, we will be inviting, you can say, experts from civil hospital, that they can come over here and vaccination of the remaining students can be done.
Okay.
Basically, that safe environment is what we intend providing our students.
Okay, so I mean, the college is taking care of all the COVID protocols. That's really great for the student, because safety is first for the student. Yes, that's really good, sir.
I'd like to add here one more thing.
Yeah, sure, sir.
That is the entire, whether teaching or non-teaching, entire, starting from myself to the sweeper who is working here, everyone has been vaccinated.
That's superb, sir.
Reason is we are setting example for our students, that in case we can have this vaccination, why can't you? That is any sort of fear in case anyone is carrying, we want to remove that. The basic is we want that they should come here, they should study here, and they should feel that it is a safe environment in which they are going to study.
That's really
Besides that, it is just possible certain students may not come. Therefore, this online and offline dual mode will continue with this.
okay. So you're running both online and offline classes for the students. Yeah. So
Again, there is a problem with regard to, I'm not getting you.
my voice is clear now.
Sometimes again there is problem.
No, okay, sir. I'm getting your voice.
When it is face-to-face interview, it is definitely better. When you are going to get it through online, these problems do arise.
Sir, when the COVID will over, and we will visit to the college and we'll take the personal interview, sir.
Let's hope and pray that it is over at the earliest possible, so that we may have our students here in the campus and they may enjoy it, and we may be, you can say, enjoy their company.
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
provide them with the best of everything that we can provide.
Yes, sir.
Any other question?
Yeah, my question is, what changes, I mean, the college has made in the curriculum to make the curriculum according to the latest industry skills? Let's say, I mean, for the MBA, there is, I mean, everything is changing. AI is coming in engineering, so the whole thing is changing. The traditional jobs are, I mean, weighing off, and then the new jobs are creating. So, what you have made the changes in the curriculum? I mean, in the BTech.
Basically, I like to mention here that is how in the industry or how in the business decisions are taken, though it is not a part of the curriculum.
Okay.
That business simulation and that decision making, how it is done in the industry level. And at the same time, we are interested in inviting various experts from the industry sector, so that whatever is latest, whatever is their requirement, keeping in mind their requirement, we may prepare our students. And it is a continuous exercise that is at regular intervals, even through this online media. We are facilitating this very transfer of knowledge from industry to the students. And we are trying to prepare our students, keeping in mind the need of the industry. Basic thing is, we want that our students should be industry ready. That is, by the time they complete the course, either they should join some job in case they want to go in for some job, or they should be prepared to start up their own enterprise.
Okay.
That is the, you can say, thrust of what we are doing.
That's great, sir. So, the question is done from my side. If you want to, if you want to give any advice to the students who want to take admission in your college, and you can say anything, you can want to add something in this interview.
It is, I like to add here, that is, students can definitely go to our site. Our website is there. Through Facebook, they can know. And at the same time, they are most welcome. They can come to the institute and whatever latest knowledge or whatever through that personal interaction they want to, whatever doubts they are having, they can get their doubts clarified. And I may add here that in certain courses, whatever is the total number of seats, these have already been filled.
Okay.
Therefore, those who are desirous of joining our institute, they should come up at the earliest possible. Reason being, I do not want to disappoint anyone, but position is when the requisite number of seats which have been sanctioned by the university, these will be filled, then definitely beyond that we can't go. We won't be in a position to accommodate more and more students. Though we wish to accommodate, but that limitation is there. Therefore, anyone who is desirous of taking admission in any of the branches, whether it is engineering or hotel management or IT, but wherever, they should just at the earliest possible, they should come visit our institute. They can go to the website and at the earliest possible, they should decide so that at later stage, they may not be disappointed in case they are not given admission. That is the point.
Sir, can you tell the students how many seats is already filled? So that they can,
Again,
early
that communication problem is there. I'm not getting you.
Sir, I'm asking, can you tell the students how many seats are already filled?
I'm not getting you.
Sir, 1 second. So, yeah, my voice
You can come over here. From which place you are taking this interview?
Sir, I'm taking from Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
The next
In
week
case you happen to come over here anytime, you are most welcome. You can visit us and we can have that face-to-face interview.
Sir, next week I
You're
will
welcome.
surely come to visit your college.
Whenever it is convenient to you, you are welcome.
Okay. So, one thing.
I think that I have whatever you wanted to know. I have answered your queries.
Sir, can you tell the students how many seats are already filled?
What you want to know?
How many seats is already filled so that students who want to take admission will, take admission in, as soon as possible. So you can tell the students that.
No, as far as computer science is concerned, it is nearly full.
Okay, so you already.
MCA is concerned nearly full. That BCom honors is concerned full.
Oh.
There are hardly few seats left in BCA. Similarly, in BBA and hotel management and certain branches of engineering. Therefore, students, in case they are desirous of taking admission in these courses, or these courses, they are most welcome.
Okay. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this interview.
Okay,
Thanks for this interview.
my pleasure interacting with you.